Okay, so this is the stainless steel dough hook that goes with my KitchenAid mixer. And it was sent to me, and in exchange, I'm going to do a review. So I will be back and show you how it works. See, it has this little thing here. You can click, push up, and click and turn. So I'm going to make some dough. I'll be right back. I'm going to install it here. Turn it, and there we go. Pull it up. I'm going to put the ingredients in. Bubbly stuff. Making a special kind of bread. Look, it's all mixed. Super psyched. This is great. I didn't have one of these. Glad I have one now. I'm going to give it a 2 thumbs up. Okay, so here it is coming out of the oven. I'm excited. This is my breakfast bread. So it doesn't look like a normal loaf. Okay, so let's slice up the zucchini carrot breakfast bread. Yum.